Hello, my name is Susan and you're watching my channel, Watch Me Flip. Have you ever wanted to make money in real estate but wasn't sure where to begin? I will teach you the methods I used. Get ready for step-by-step instructions, real-world examples, tricks of the trade, and the details I learned from experience. I'm going to show you how you can turn $2,700 into $100,000 with little risk as possible. I will teach you how to make massive gains investing in real estate. By following the same steps that I did, you can turn a small investment into true financial freedom. I would like to show you how we started with just very little and got to owning over 200 properties of real estate. I will show you not only just the numbers, but the good, the bad, the work in between. Mark Twain once said, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started." So hit the subscribe button and let's get moving.